Utiganu wa thogora wa mbeca cia nyongerera wa arimi a majani gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya na amwena wa ithũĩro ria bururi ugitemanio king'ang'a-ini ni rũhonge rwa kuramata majani bururi-ini KTDA mbere ya kamiti ya urimi ya bunge. Mwikariri giti wa rũhonge rũrũ Chege Kirundi erite abunge ati thogora wa majani ũtuagwo ni mũgũri.
We cannot say therefore you can sell the tea at the same price, because the buyer will tell you no. And the buyer is the one who dictates what he'll buy. You don't have a choice.
Agitariria abunge itumi iria icungagiriria gitaro kina ona kiri na muigana munene wa majani arimi mamukire thogora wa thi. Kirundi augite gucerithirio kwa majani kuruto mugunda gukinyio kithii-ini na mathaa matanyibaire mathatu no gucangire mucamo wa cai na muguri age kwenda majani macio.
We want to know how tea is sold and how money is passed back to the people.
If you're taking more than an hour, then you are delivering leaf at the factory, at your factory. When it has started changing chemically, it will not give you the quality that you want.
Different markets have different preferences. We have people who want black tea. We have people who want to have tea with milk. We have people who want to have light tea. There are people who want to have iced tea. Different markets have different preferences.
Abunge mugite KTDA ni godereire wira-ini wayo amudikoreto igitabania baratha cia kuthomithia arimi a majani na obo kureka ithei imwe ikoro na urugamiriri utakinyaniirie ikiro undu ucio ukinyita itemi kugwithia gikiro kia majani. Ngeribotera Inooro TV Jetago Masi wadia wa Mũrĩithi.
There now as a witness. Let's go on. Please jump, take off.